Why make beats again?
Look, y'all want to see what's in the box. Okay. That's how you build a wheel. That's how you build a wheel. Y'all know the saying. Folges! That's just the front.
I'm glad you.
That's Junebug.
What's up, Joe?
The TV star now. He said he didn't know he was on the series.
Oh, yeah.
Y'all done made me a hood stuff.
Oh, yeah.
I'm acting fun and everything. Take an autograph.
I know that's right.
Envelope.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Nice, man.
Y'all know we like big lips and big hips. Look at that concave. It look like a wishing well. Woo! All right, cut the tape. Cut the tape. Y'all gonna see that when we put that thing on here, man. I'll get that ready.
What's up? 803 Whip Games. It's your boy. And I'm back with another video. Man, we up here with Project Ronald Eyes. Think I got this thing wrapped up. Just got the Dakota digital mounted in. Got all the push buttons working. Hooked up, get it mounted into the console. Y'all see it, man. She got ready. Love it, man. Y'all see it. Finish up the door panels. Go get them mopped up. Get the window regulator and all that stuff situated. Y'all see it, man. Project Ronald Eyes. She clean too, you two. She clean. She definitely clean. They got the brake lights lit up, everything wired up. I think they got a few pieces left on this thing. They knocking out. Y'all see it. Ain't much left back here. So when you see this empty right here and the back starting to look empty, that's when you know she about ready to get on through. Let me show y'all the wheels for this thing, man. Cool little small block. Pulley kit. Nice little carbureted motor. That's electric fan on there. All that good stuff. She is definitely clean. Let me show y'all the wheels. Y'all see Project Betty Boo. I'll be on the lookout for the video for that. Project Betty Boo. She up next. Man, y'all see these things. Folges. Going on Project Ronald Isley. Man, these clean. Clean. Chrome lip. Brushing blue face. Got that Forgiato blue at the top, man. Y'all see it, man. Y'all see it. Nice, clean. See that lip? But I just wanted to stop by, man, give y'all a little update on that project. Ronald Isley be ready to roll soon. So y'all just stay on the lookout for it, man.
Can't go back and cut a hole
Project
in
Ronald Isley.
Oh, yeah.